Hi, in this tutorial we'll see how to create an old paper effect. Let's start. Open up Photoshop and go to File New. In the preset drop-down select International Paper and choose A4 size. Click OK and in the Layers tab add a new layer, then hide the background layer. Select white color and fill the new layer with Paint Bucket tool. Set the foreground color to number FFE99C and the background color to number 898989. Go to Filter Render Clouds. Click RMB on the layer and select Blending Options. Check Inner Glow and change its color to number DC8A31. Set the blend mode to screen and augment the size to something like 120. Check Satin and change its color to number DC8A31, set the angle to 90 degrees and the blend mode to screen. Check Color Overlay, set the color to number DC8A31 and the blend mode to Hue. Click on Blending Options, Default and set Fill Opacity to 32. Click OK. Select the eraser tool, set the mode to brush. Open the brush preset panel and choose Lino Crayon. Now erase parts of the image angles, to simulate a tearing effect. Once is done, duplicate the level, double-click on the FX icon on the layer. Change the Inner Glow blend mode to Multiply. Set the opacity to 38 and the size to 190. Click OK to accept the changes. Do Ctrl+T RMB Warp to transform it. With the difference of colors we will resize the image in the parts we made the tearing effect to make it more realistic. Now go to filter noise, dust and scratches and set radius to 100 and threshold to 35. Then click OK. Now change the foreground color to number DC8A31 and select the brush tool. Create a new level. Click on the side of the image in the half of the height and holding Shift key click on the opposite side to draw a straight line. Do the same for the height of the image to obtain a cross. On the newly created layer, click RMB and blending options. Check bevel and emboss, select style to outer bevel, and change the shadow mode color to number DC8A31. Set the size to 155, soften to 14, the opacity of the highlight mode to 55 and the opacity of the shadow mode to 57. Check outer glow and change its color to number DC8A31. Set the blend mode to multiply and the opacity to 30. Set spread to 14 and size to 250. Click on blending options, default and set fill opacity to 13. Click OK to accept the style and you've done. Thanks for watching.